Get haters on a bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
React to Lil Yachty and Chief Keef. Has he dropped Almighty Soul 2 yet? Y'all gotta let me know. I'm reacting to the whole album. But either this gonna be a good duo or a goofy duo. If we finna see.
The beat go off? Hey, is this Sosa? Am I making Sosa right now? What the fuck is you? I don't know why. I just want you to explain something to me. Hey, explain, yeah. I got some money on the way. Killer with counters, then piss on that grave. The nigga don't get hit, don't get grazed. I saw Superman, now you saved. Pussy before you eat, say your grace. You already know these bees, they not J's. I got a tool, how she think.
I haven't listened to Chief Keef in a minute, but that nigga running. I forgot. Wow.
She laced. I be on her head like a lace. Beamed up. Won't take her jeans, I ain't even. Won't take her jeans, I ain't even.
I ain't gonna lie, sorry to all the Lil Yachty fans, but I mean, I fuck with his music on occasion. It's just I don't listen to him all the time. He ain't really my type of music. I listen to like Big Scar and all of them, Lil Double Below. But he can beat going stupid. How many niggas in the music video? Dang, I done seen JID. No. My bad. Don't roast me. Denzel Curry, G Herbo. Boy, how many niggas is in the music video?
Crip blue. I'm in a Humvee with 6 troops. What you wanna do? No fist too. Gave a bitch a sip of the wrist juice. Hey, she melting all on my wrist too. Hey, but I'm an icy nigga, it's cool. I got some money on the way.
Niggas was just chilling in the music video. They should have been featured. Had all them niggas in there.
Whoa, she think I'm cute, she wanna have sex.
Yeah, I fuck with Lil Yachty's part. I said I don't know. His music ain't my type, but I fuck with the feature. But let me know what y'all thought about in the comments below, and let me know if he's dropping that Almighty Soul 2. I'll react to the whole shit. Yeah, and if y'all enjoyed the video, drop a like. I'll fuck with you.